40 April 1891 in Mau district is Ratnagiri, and he was full name is Dr. Babasaheb Ramji Ambedkar, and he got many degrees. He was a great. He society in about society in people problems for living happily, and he purchased books and newspaper for crude men, and he was dated 6 December 1956. Thank you. 40 April 1891, his full name was Babasaheb Ramji Ambedkar. His village name was Mahu in Ratnagiri district. He got many degrees, and he was very great sport man about society people. Problem for living happy. He published a newspaper, a book for independence. He fight again to poor people in this way. The was dead in 6 December 1956.
माझ्या मित्रमैत्रिणींनो, अंधारा स्वप्न पाहणारे व ते सत्यात उतरणारे डॉक्टर बाबासाहेब आंबेडकर यांच्याबद्दल मी स्वतः कविता तयार केलेली सादर करणार आहे. ते तुम्ही शांततेने ऐकून घरी वाटते. होते भीमराव म्हणून घडलो आपण, त्यांनी नाही केला जातीभेद म्हणून भेटलो आपण. रस्त्याखालच्या बर्फाखाली बसून केला त्यांनी अभ्यास, म्हणून नाव झाले मोठे आणि आई वडिलांचं बी केलं नाव मोठं. या महापुरुषांना ज्याने नाव केलं मोठं ते होते भीमराव. पाव खाऊनी बनले समाज सुधाकर. धन्यवाद.
Hey,